Hey guys, Dane with Import Image here, and today in the WRX Power Series, we're going to be talking about charge pipes. Which one is good, which one's better, which one's best, which one works right for you, which one's priced the best, and why you should upgrade your charge pipe. So today we're going to be doing an in-depth review on the Perrin, Process West, ETS, and AMS charge pipes. These are a few of the brands that we carry here at Import Image. These are usually always in stock with us and quick shipping too. So first off, this is your stock charge pipe. This is probably one of the ugliest things I've ever seen in my life. These and airflow, I feel like, don't really go hand in hand. You can see it is just weird. So ain't nobody got time for that. So that being said, first off, we're going to talk about the Perrin charge pipe. So one of the first things that I noticed with this charge pipe is that it's stepped. By that, it goes from little to big. So with our handy dandy caliper here, we're going to look at the inside diameter of this, which is about 50 millimeters. Then it goes to about 65 millimeters. So this charge pipe out of the others is more closely compared to the stock unit for this very reason. So if you're looking for something that's decently priced, has an excellent warranty, and is handcrafted very well, look at the Perrin. It's made from aluminum, it's powder coated wrinkle black, you could do neon yellow, you could do wrinkle red, you can do hyper pink, and these are all usually very readily available. If you're not going to be one of those people that's trying to make all the power with your top mount intercooler, this is a nice upgrade. That'll get you a little bit better airflow, you'll be ready to rock. So with the Perrin charge pipe, they retail around 350 bucks. So a little bit up there, but it's one of those things that simply works. So next up, we're going to talk about the Process West charge pipe. So something that I immediately notice in handling this charge pipe is that it is heavy. This is a cast aluminum made piece. So one thing that sets the Process West apart from the other options is that the portion where it connects to your turbo, yes, the portion where it connects to the outlet on the turbo actually has the factory style made into it, so there is no adapter needed. And that being said, Process West, this is a very robust piece. Like if I threw this at you, you're going to get hurt. Like if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. If you can dodge a charge pipe, well, I hope you would, because you would probably be decapitated if you didn't. So Process West offers this in two different colors, wrinkle black, wrinkle red. This works with factory top mount intercooler, anything that uses the factory style top mount intercooler connection points. With this, it's a simple bolt on and go, made in Australia. So the price of this charge pipe is one of the most cost effective out there at 172 bucks. So kind of just like the Perrin, if you are not planning on doing a whole lot with your car and you just want just that little bit of extra airflow, this is an excellent cost-effective piece that'll make you more power. You might even get a little bit more noise out of the car too. Whoops. Well, that's a blow off out, but you know. All right. So next, my homies at Extreme Turbo Systems. So that was loud. Things that you can expect out of ETS: quality fitment, quality product, quality finish, and they are just a bunch of excellent human beings that know what they're doing. What they do works. It's that easy. So ETS, they make their charge pipe out of a stainless steel. It's mandrel bent, and it works. This is another great option for those of you that aren't trying to make all the power you can with the top mount intercooler setup. This costs around $279, so it's not too terribly expensive, but it's kind of, like I said, one of those things, it simply works. ETS offers this in stainless, and they also offer it in titanium as well. Titanium's a bit more expensive, but of course lightweight and cool colors. It does use the adapter, but that's all right, because if you're not trying to make all the power you can out of your car with a top mount intercooler, this will do just fine. We have hundreds of customers that have this with either the stock top mount or their ETS top mount intercooler, and it simply works. And then the best option, in my humble opinion, would be this AMS charge pipe. Reason being, you can see there's a lot more going on compared to the other brands. So this is a cast aluminum construction, and AMS went a step further and they actually recreated this. So this is what the factory style connection looks like on the underside of the factory top mount intercooler. So it's nice because this replaces all of it. You don't have any of this weird mumbo jumbo plastic garbage going on. And this, I mean, I can just tell just by looking at it, will give you the most flow out of any of these options. Something really cool that AMS includes with it too, since it is a two-piece, you can see that these are O-ring sealed connections. They even have a fancy clamp that goes with it too. So not only will you get bling in your engine bay, but you'll make more power on top of that. AMS offers this for a factory top mount intercooler style or an aftermarket top mount intercooler style. And the price of the AMS top mount intercooler charge pipe is about $450, $449.95 to be exact. So if you are one of those people that is looking to make all the power that you can with the top mount intercooler setup, this is the move. If you are just trying to give your car a little bit more efficiency, I would probably go for the ETS, for the Process West. And then ETS would be another great option too. Really, you can't go wrong with any of these brands. They all stand behind their product. We carry them all here so you can get them quick at the best prices as well. So if you're looking to upgrade your charge pipe, give your WRX a little bit more airflow, send me a message on the website, and I can get you quoted.